having a lazy morning, chilling out on Sunday. Thought I'd show you the van quick. Inside. Finally actually finished the bloody roof. It's not brilliant, but it's all right. There's bubbles and stuff in the leather, but oh well, it's cool. Do me. Little overhead cabinet that's wonky donkey, needs sorting. Little area for stuff, that still needs sorting. That still needs sorting. Looks quite sunny outside though. This is the other side of the van. Yes, you have already seen that go. Heck. Little mirror, some lights that glow when you talk or whistle. Not that great. I love them. That's my little monk. That's some coffee and tea. So yeah, that's it for now, but there will be more to come. Goodbye for now.